Hi everybody, I'm Susan and I'm a personal trainer here in Austin, Texas, and I want to fill you guys in on a workshop that I went to last weekend. It's called Parkinson's Regeneration Training, and it's the brainchild of Carl Sterling, who is a master trainer out of New York State. And several years ago, Carl dived headfirst into researching Parkinson's, like the science and the current research behind it, and what treatments are available and what things are lacking and working and helping these people. And he came up with some ideas and techniques, and he rolled it all into a beautiful 2-day workshop that he keeps expanding on. So every time I've done 3 of them in 2 years because it keeps getting better and better. But this time he brought in 2 experts in the field who added a lot to the workshop. So what we had were demonstrations and presentations and actual engagement of movement and activities with the clients and the people who are having the movement problems, the people that have Parkinson's. We had several of them there and their caregivers. And everybody worked together. It was just beautiful, especially at the end of the 2 days when the people who have the Parkinson's were walking better, their balance was improved, their mood was improved, and they just said they had learned something, that there was something there that can help them improve the quality of life. Other stuff that we talked about was the gut-brain connection and how inflammation can in the system can produce inflammation in the brain, and how that might be an issue with Parkinson's and other neurodegenerative diseases. So all in all, together, it was pretty inclusive. It was a really great overview of Parkinson's and what we can, as trainers, can do to help. But now Carl has been so busy traveling, he's decided to scale that back a little bit. And he's going to be, instead of doing so many live workshops, he's putting his material online on a website where you can access it whenever you want. And he's going to be adding to it on a regular basis, along with his team of experts, and he's going to have their input also. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, like working with people with Parkinson's and other movement issues, it might be something worth looking at. The website is prtonline.net. And I think he's going to be offering CEUs for trainers, so it might be worth checking out. Thank you. Have a great weekend.